Nan, babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, you're gonna be excited because this is the newest samgyupsal craze dito po sa Pampanga.
Actually, nandito tayo ngayon sa Samgyup sa Bahay, dine-in and delivery, unlimited Korean barbecue.
So if you heard dyan, sabi niya dine-in and delivery because they claim to be the first delivery samgyupsal. Well, papakita po natin lahat ng details. Samahan niyo po kami sa video na to.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so ayun guys, before we talk about the food, no, let's talk about the place. So the place is located dito po sa The Orchard, Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. It's just along MacArthur Highway, so napaka-accessible. Now going here, the parking is not a problem, and pagpasok nyo dito sa restaurant guys, very cozy. Actually, ang galing ng mga furnitures natin, and I think the place is really conducive for family gathering. It's really huge, so you can practice social distancing dito. And just take note guys, they are still on dry run. So watch out natin yung kanilang grand opening. Check out their fan page, they are giving away promos. Again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video, and grabe, Samgyup sa Bahay, maraming salamat po dahil napaka-generous niyo po sa amin. So, what do we have on our table, Mark?
So on our table, so syempre meron tayo dito samgyupsal, meron tayong hot pot, and meron din tayong mga a la carte.
Yes, so for the unlimited samgyupsal, 499 pesos lang po yan. So you get these side dishes right here, plus 12 different kinds of meat.
Yes, meron tayong plain, meron tayong marinated,
of course,
meron din tayong mga signature nila.
Exactly. Now, for the unlimited hot pot naman guys, that's also 499 pesos. So, you get your spicy beef broth, you get your plain beef broth. Ang dami nating sahog na nilagay kanina, so sobrang mag-enjoy tayo dito. Now, here's the catch guys. If you want unlimited hot pot plus unlimited samgyupsal, grabe, that's just 799 pesos. So,
wow, busog na busog ka na talaga.
Exactly, Mark, exactly. Sobrang busog ka talaga.
So at the same time, if gusto niyo naman mag-upgrade for the samgyupsal or for the hot pot, you just add 200 pesos, unlimited seafood na siya.
Oh man, that is good deal. 200 pesos unlimited na yun.
And if you want naman yung mga only wings, just add 100 pesos.
100 pesos. Other a la carte, available din sila dito. So meron tayong mga maki.
Yes, meron din tayong mga cheesy tteokbokki. Meron din tayong tempura. Meron din tayong steamed egg.
Yes, Korean egg. Actually, guys, si Samgyup sa Bahay, nag-originate siya sa Cavite. And from there, nagsimula lang talaga siya na nagdi-deliver ng mga Samgyup sa bahay-bahay. So, if you want to know more about that before tayo kumain dito, watch this quick video. Yun, so from humble beginning from the south, this is the first branch dito po sa Central Luzon. So if you're interested dun sa mga deliveries nila, and if you are dun sa 10-kilometer radius dito from Telabastagan, it's gonna be free ang delivery pesos. So we just put in the last ingredient dun sa hot pot natin, of course. Hindi mawawala yung ano dyan, noodles. So let's just mix it all up dito sa bowl natin, guys. Yun. So guys, ideally, this can be your dip or your sauce separately. Pero ako guys, since natikman ko na yung mga iba-ibang hot pot dito, what I really like is to mix them. So, you gotta try it. Tikman nyo rin minsan. This is it. Yeah, man, yeah. Alright, grabe Mark. Sobrang busog, nakakalula. Ang dami natin pagkain dito.
Same time, so dito naman is unlimited. So
Yes.
you can eat as much as you can.
Exactly. So, guys, if you're interested to taste and experience yung samgyupsal, yung hot pot, and yung mga makis na nakita nyo sa video na to, please give it a thumbs up. Papasalamat kami sa Samgyup sa bahay. Imagine, at the comfort of your house or anywhere, actually, sa office,
Yes.
in a
sa
park.
Sa office,
Yeah,
in
diba?
a park, sa bahay, or also dito rin, pwede rin kayong kumain.
So, pwede nyong i-enjoy yon. And it is a must. It's a recommended for you to try dito po, dito mag-dine-in. Kasi ang ganda ng lugar. Ang
Yes.
ganda ng lugar.
So, Samgyup sa bahay is located dito sa may Orchard Garden, Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
And watch out for their grand opening. They're gonna be giving away some promos, so make sure to check out their fan page.
Yes.
There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out!
Bye, guys.